Next one. What is the next question? One by one we will solve all the three questions. N is written as N equivalent to. What is the question? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 is written 73 times. 4 is written 73 times. 4 is written 73 times. What is the remainder? What is the remainder when N is divided by 259? N is divided by 259. Question is, when N is divided by 259, what will be the remainder? What will be the remainder? 259 is a composite number which is derived from 7 and 37. 7 into 37. 7 into 37. It is 7 into 37. It is 259. 7. What are the concepts related to 7? Any non-zero digit. Any non-zero digit. Any non-zero digit written in groups of 6. Yesterday we discussed any non-zero digit written in groups of 6. Groups of 6 is always divisible by 7. Is always divisible by 7. Yesterday we discussed the proof also. 7. What is the divisibility rule of 7? If a non-zero digit is written in a groups of 6, then it is always divisible by 7. Now see here. So it is group of 6. 6 how many groups? If it is 6 times 0, 12 times 0, 18 times 0, 24 times 0, 6 12s are 72 times 0. So the remainder will be 1 4, it will be there. 1 4, it will be there when it is divided by 7. Any non-zero digit written in groups of 6, it is always divisible by 7. 6 12s are 72 times. 1 more 4, it is present. Next one. Next one. If you see, what is the 37 we discussed yesterday? Any non-zero digit. Any non-zero digit written in groups of 3. Yesterday we discussed this concept also. Any non-zero digit written in groups of 3s, it is always divisible by 37. 111 is 37 into 3. 222 is 37 into 6. If any non-zero digit is written in groups of 3s, then it is divisible by 37. 3s. If 4 is written 3 times, answer is 0. 4 is written 6 times, 0. 3 24s are 72 times. Again the remainder will be 4. 1 more 4, it will be left. So when divided by 7, remainder 4. When divided by 37, remainder 4. 4 4 cancel. The lowest possible is when A and B both are zeros. 7 into 0 plus 4 or 37 into 0 plus 4. Remainder will be 4. Remainder will be 4. These are the two important key points you should know. Thereby you can say the answer in seconds. 259. 259 is 7 into 37. In 7 we discussed the divisibility rule yesterday. If a non-zero digit is written in groups of 6, it is always divisible by 7. Group of 6 times. 6 times it is 0. 12 times it is 0. 18 times it is 0. 6 12s are 72 times it is 0. 1 4, it will be left. Remainder 4. Any non-zero digit written in groups of 3s. If a non-zero digit is written in group of 3 times, it is 0. 3 times 0. 6 times 0. 9 times 0. 72 times it is 0. 1 4 is left. 6a, 7a plus 4. When divided by 7, I got a remainder 4. When divided by 37, I got a remainder 4. 7a plus 4 equivalent to 37b plus 4. A 0, b 0. Answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. 351. 351. 351. Second question. This is the first question. Second question. Second question is, remainder when n is divided by 351. N is divided by 351. 351. Now, first thing, let us say 351. 351 is a composite number. Now we have to derive the factors for 351. If you observe closely, 351 is 13 2s are 26. 91, 13 into 27. 13 into 27. So we have to use the divisibility rule of 13 and 27. 13 and 27. If it is 13, already we discussed any non-zero digit written in groups of 6. Any non-zero digit written in groups of 6. Any non-zero digit written in groups of 6, it is always divisible by 13. It is always divisible by 13. 6 times it is 0. 12 times 0. 6 12s are 72 times it is 0. So what will be the remainder? A remainder when n is divided by 13, 1/4 it is left. 1/4 it is left. I hope the idea it is clear. What is the divisibility rule of 27? 10 cube divided by 27, it is 1. What is the divisibility rule of 27? Start from right hand side. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. 454 plus 454 and so on. These are total 24 into 3, 72 digits. 72 digits. Why I wrote it separately? What is the divisibility rule of 27? Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. So if I keep on taking a group of 3 digits, first 3 digits, next 3 digits, like the 24 groups I will take. 24 into 3 is 72 plus one more number. So answer is, we have to add all of them. 4 plus. So 444 is added how many times? 24 times divided by 27. I hope the idea it is clear. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. If 444 is written 6 times, if you divide it by 27, after 444, one slash will come. It is 2 into 444. If 444 is written 3 times, I will get 444 into 3. Like that, 73 times it is there. It is total 72 times extra 4. 72 times extra 4. So these are nothing but 4 plus 27 ones are 27, 174, 27 6 are 162, it is into 12, 27 ones are 27, minus 3 divided by 27. These remainder minus 36 plus 4, minus 32 divided by 27, which is minus 5. Positive remainder is 22. Positive remainder it is 22. I hope the idea it is clear. 351 it is a composite number. It is derived from 2 prime numbers. 13 into 27. If a single digit is written in a group of 6, it is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. It is divisible by 13. 6 times 0, 12 times 0, 72 times 0. Another 4 it is present. So when divided by 13, I got 4. Divisibility rule for 27 is start from RHS, take a group of 3 digits. So 2 cases I got. I am doing the second one here. When I divide by 13, I got a remainder 4. When I divide by 27, I got a remainder 22. So 13A equivalent to 27B plus 18. So these can be written as, today's class entire advanced level problem session number 3. So this can be written as 13A equivalent to 26B plus 13 plus B plus 5. These is divisible by 13, divisible by 13, divisible by 13. B minimum value it is 8. B minimum value it is 8. If it is 8, what will be the answer? 27 into 8 plus 22. So these 216 plus 22. Answer is 238. Answer for this question is 238. What we are doing, what we did yesterday at a basic level, now we are expanding it to the next level. 351 is 13 into 27. Actually, what you can do is, you don't need to do all these. I removed all answer options. Check with the answer option. Which number when divided by 13, I will get to 4. Here also, check with the answer option. Which number when divided by 7, I will get to 4. If there is more than one answer option, then check it out with 37. Because I removed answer options, the process might look a little difficult. But very, very good questions, sir. Very advanced level questions, a mock replica questions, so that you will not get intimidated when you look at a question. Process is easy, little bit of calculation intensivities. Little bit of calculation intensive. Third problem we did not do. Let us do it in the next slide. Question is n equivalent to 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Written 73 times. Written 73 times. Reminder when n is divided by 176. Reminder when n is divided by 176. 176. Now, please see here, sir. Please see here. What is that? If answer options are present, I'll just take a question to you to explain. 53 power 11111 divided by 51. 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. Now see here. The method, if answer options are present, denominator 51. 51 has to be written as a product of coprimes. 3 into 17. Am I right? 51 is 3 into 17. You will understand it very neatly, sir. 53. 53 power 11111 divided by 3. 3 18s are 54. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder will be 2. Positive remainder will be 2. Answer when divided by 3, it should give remainder 2. Answer when divided by 3, it should give remainder 2. 3 into 8. 3 into 8 plus 1. 3 into 9. Answer is 3 into 8 plus 2, 26. If answer options are there, keep an eye on answer options. If there is another answer option, for example, 29 is there, then do it with 17. Then do it with 17. Because I removed all the answers, we are equating and finding the value. But if answer options are there, keep an eye on the answer option. Reminder when n is divided by 176. 176. 176 is a composite number which can be written as 11 into 16. 11 into 16. 11 into 16. What is the same concept for divisibility rule for 7, 11 and 13? Any non-zero digit written in groups of 6. Any non-zero digit written in groups of 6 is always divisible by not only by 7, 13 but also by 11. 6 times it is 0. 12 times it is 0. 72 times it is 0. So with 11, if I divide this number by 11, what will be the remainder? 72 times it is 0. One more 4 will be there. Reminder when n is divided by 11, it is 4. Reminder when n is divided by 11, it is 4. Any non-zero digit written in groups of 6, it is always divisible by 11. 6 times 0, 12 times 0, 72 times 0. One more 4 is left. Suppose 16. What is the divisibility rule of 16? Divisibility rule of 2 is unit digit should be divisible by 2. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 16 is last 4 digits should be divisible by 16. Last 4 digits should be divisible by 16. So what are the last 4 digits? It is the same digit. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. divided by 16. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 divided by 16. I hope the idea it is clear. Divisibility rule for 2 power 1 is unit digit. Divisibility rule for 4 is last 2 digits. If the power of 2 is k, that many digits we have to take. If it is 4, 4 can be written as 2 square, last 2 digits. If it is 8, last 3 digits. If it is 16, last 4 digits. So this will be 16 ones are, 16 twos are 32, 124, 124, 16 sevens are 112, 124, 16 sevens are 112, again it is 12. Again we are doing 16 twos are 32, 124, 16 sevens are 112, another 124 remaining, 16 sevens are 112, remainder 12. So remainder, when n is divided by 16, when n is divided by 16, what is the remainder? 12. What is the remainder? 12. Now we can go both. When it is divided by 11, what is the remainder? 4. Now you can go by using answer options. When it is divided by 16, remainder it is 12. So 11a equivalent to 16b plus 8. 16b plus 8. 11a equivalent to 11a plus 5b plus 8. 5b plus 8. Divisible by 11, divisible by 11. 5b plus 8 should be divisible by 11. 5b plus 8, 11. B value will become fraction. 5b plus 8, 22. B value will become fraction. 5b plus 8, 33. 5b equivalent to 25. B value it is 5. If B value it is 5. 16 5s are 80. 80 plus 12. Answer for this question is 92. Answer for this question is 92. What are the learnings from this question? If the denominator it is a composite number, write the number as a product of coprimes. Write the number. If the denominator, please make a note in your notebook, sir. If the denominator it is a composite number, if the denominator it is a composite number, write the number as a product of coprimes. Write the number as a product of coprimes. If answer options are there, make use of answer options and avoid your calculation time. If it is 11, any non-zero digit written in group of 6, it is always divisible by 11. 6 times, 12 times, 18 times, 72 times it is 0. Another 4 is left. Check whether which answer option when divided by 11, I'll get 4. Divisibility rule of 2 power k is last k digits should be divisible by. Last k digits should be divisible by. So this number, if it is 4, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. If it is 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. If it is 2 power k, last k digit should be divisible by 2 power k. I divided it by 16. I hope it is clear. Right after the class is over, watch the class once again, sir. All advanced level problems. Now beautiful question it is. Beautiful question, sir. Question is 56789. 56789. It is a 5-digit number. It is a 5-digit number. It is a 5-digit number. That 5-digit number is written how many times? 100 times. There is a 5-digit number which is written 100 times. What is the remainder? What is the remainder when it is divided by 41 and 271? What is the remainder when it is divided by 41 and 271? Seems like a very complex question, but once you understand single step less than 10 seconds, you can solve this question. There is a big number which is given. There is a 5-digit number. That 5-digit number is written 100 times. What is the remainder when n is divided by 41 and 271? Now 41 into 271. If you multiply, this will result in 5 ones. 41 into 271, it will result in 5 ones. Suppose, see here. Suppose if you see, for example, I'll write down here 5 ones. 5 ones. Suppose if the question is, see here, if it is 11, if it is 11, if it is 11 or 99, 99 can be written as 9 into 11. 11 is 10 square minus 1. Am I right? Suppose if it is 3 nines, it can be written as 9 into triple 1. Triple 1, how many ones are there? 3 ones are there. 10 cube minus 1. If 4 nines are there, 4 nines it is 9 into 4 ones. 4 ones is 9 into 10 power 4 minus 1. If there are 5 nines are there, if there are 5 nines are there, 9 into 5 ones, which is 9 into 10 power 5 minus 1. 9 into 10 power 5 minus 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Now see here. Suppose if I take 10 power 5 minus 1 divided by 41. Let us see what is happening. 10 power 5 minus 1 divided by 41. 10 square minus 1 is 99, 2 nines. 10 cube minus 1 is 3 nines. 10 power 5 minus 1. 10 power 5 minus 1 is 5 nines. 9 into 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 written 5 times divided by 41. This entire number, now see here. 9 into 5 ones divided by 41. Now, I hope it is clear. 41 into 271 is 5 ones. That means this number is divisible by 41, remainder is 0. Similarly, 10 power 5 minus 1 divided by 271. 10 power 5 minus 1 is 9 written 5 times. 9 if I take common. 5 ones divided by 271. 271 into 41 is 5 ones. So the remainder it is 0. Very, very important point. 10 power 5 minus 1 by 41 it is 0. Minus 1 if it goes to the right hand side. 10 power 5 divided by 41 it is 1. 10 power 5 divided by 271. 271 it is 1. Please make a note. Please make a note, sir. 10 power 5 divided by 41 it is 1. 10 power 5 divided by 271 it is 1. Why we got 1? 41 into 271 is 1 written 5 times. If it is 99, 9 into 10 square minus 1. If it is 5 nines, 9 into 10 power 5 minus 1. So 10 power 5 minus 1. 10 power 5 minus 1 is 9 into 10 power 5 minus 1. 10 power 5 minus 1 is 9 into 5 ones divided by 41. 5 ones is divisible by 41. 5 ones is divisible by 41. Remainder 0. Minus 1 comes to the right hand side plus 1. Minus 1 comes to the right hand side plus 1. 10 power 5. Very, very important note, sir. What is the divisibility rule for 41 and 271? 41 and 271. Please write down the divisibility rule for 41 and 271. Divisibility rule for 41 and 271. What is the divisibility rule? Start from right hand side. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 5 digits. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 5 digits and add them. Take a group of 5 digits and add them. Because we are taking a group of 5 digits and add them, question is also a 5 digit number written 100 times. Take a group of 5 digits and add them. This concept probably you will not find it in any of the regular textbook. 41 into 271 is 1 written 5 times. So 10 power 5 minus 1. 10 square minus 1 is 9 into 1, 1. 10 cube minus 1 is 9 into triple 1. 10 power 5 minus 1 is 9 into 1 written 5 times. 1 written 5 times divided by 41. Perfectly divisible, remainder 0. Minus 1 goes to the right hand side, it will be plus 1. 10 power 5 divided by 41, it is 1. 10 power 5 divided by 271, it is 1. So the question is, n is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that 100 times it is written. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I take a group, one group, another group, like that, totally how many groups are there? 100 groups are there. So what will be the answer for this question? N is, reminder, when N is divided by 41 or 271, answer is nothing but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 100 divided by 41 or 271. Then do the generic division, you will get the answer. If 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is written 2 times, group of 5 digits, add it. If it is taken 2 times, 2 into 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is taken 3 times, 3 into 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is taken 100 times, this entire question can be made into 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 100 divided by 41 or 271. Do the generic division, whatever the answer you get, that itself is the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very good problem. 41 into 271 is 5 ones. So 10 power 5 divided by 41, it is 1. 10 power 5 divided by 271, it is 1. Because 10 power 5 divided by 41, it is 1. Start from the right hand side. Take a group of 5 digits and add them. Take a group of 5 digits and add them. Take a group of 5 digits and add them. Please make a note.